What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Ninja. Wanted to show you a little. Oh, we have one tip over. Want to show you a little update of where we're at on our bikes. Start with the first Coleman B200. Got a new carb for it. PWK 22. It's a 28 millimeter carb, I think. Basically, I got two of them. Noticed an instant increase in acceleration and an instant increase in top out. I had it up to, I think, 53 yesterday on the bike here with the toolbox on the back. But yeah, love it. One of the few issues with this bike is one of the pegs broke off, and we had to get a replacement for it because there was really nowhere to put your foot. And we got a kind of a clamp-on kit you get from Amazon, 25 bucks. It actually came with two, but I only used the one. The other footrest on the other side still intact. That's still fine. Yeah, pretty much it for that one. Going to the next one, same deal, same carb. Still have to get in there and remove the governor arm components, like that bar that went to the carb. But not much else different other than this one has both footrest and toolbox mounted to the back. This one is the one I've put a lot of time and a little bit of money into. Pulled the governor out of the 224. Started having issues with chain alignment. And I think it boils down to these tensioners on the back. I need to get new ones. They are two different sizes. I think they're off two different bikes. I'm not sure. But I've got newer ones coming. Let me set you down here for a minute. Let you admire these bikes while I fix this situation here. Give me just 1 second. Okay. Now, anyways, had issues getting the chain to line up with the sprocket. It's got a 60 tooth on the back, 10 tooth up front, 6-to-1 gearing ratio. Once I get that sorted out, I think this thing will be a lean machine. Got the governor pulled out of the 224. It's not far from being ready to roll. Let's see, the old faithful brown bike here. It is basically a frame right now. I have the motor pulled off. I just ordered a PWK 22 carb in blue for this motor to match. Well, it's the same carb as this, just in blue. Ordered it for this bike, and as soon as it gets in, I'll be trying to get this bike back together. And last but not least, our Camo Baja Warrior 200. This bike has seen so many engines, it's ridiculous. Right now we are going with a 196cc Predator. Let's see, it needs throttle cable. I've got all that coming, and the assembly, but I've got all that coming in the mail with the carburetor that I ordered for the brown Coleman here. But yeah, and then I think I'm actually probably going to be selling that bike, and maybe looking into another venture, another project. But yeah, that's where we're at on our bikes. So feel free to ask any questions. If you need help with anything, leave a comment and I will get to you as soon as I can. Oh, the Murray hard drive go-kart. Still working on it. I'm going to be putting an engine back in it soon. I'm just not sure which one. We did get new Sun F tires for the front, and we plan on getting them for the back as well. But yeah, this one needs an engine, and hopefully we'll have one in it soon, and I know my son's ready to ride. So anyways, that's pretty much it, all I got for you for today. I really want to get into posting videos on how to fix certain things with these, how to do certain things with these. It's hard being the only person, not having a cameraman or, somebody that can help me with filming. But yeah, hopefully here soon I will be able to get into, more of those types of videos. And I guess until then, peace.